this one is called cerebral. Cerebral. Yeah. Or muddhaja. And here what we do, we curl the tongue and tap. Curl the tongue and tap. You see when you pronounce these letters. Ta, th, da, dh, na, r, l. Okay? Jesse, did you get it? Yeah, you curl your tongue back. The tongue is like this, right? So you curl it and then tap. Ta, th, da, dh, n, r, l. Okay, one more time. Ta, th, da, dh, n, r, l. Okay, so these letters are called muddhaja. And muddha. It kind of touches the alveolar ridge. You see alveolar ridge here? Ta, th, da, dh, n. So that is called muddhaja. And when you use these letters, this is important for us to know. If you read the Pali Suttas, when you see this dot underneath, you already know. Okay, you already know this one belongs to the muddhaja. Yeah, cerebral. Okay, except there is one more sound called ang. That one is different though. Yeah, but all the others, they are pronounced like this. Okay, this is dantaja. The same, because in English we have only 26 letters. In Pali we have 41 letters. So they have to find a way to represent all those letters, right? That is why they use some diacritical marks. Okay, so this one, danta. Danta is teeth. Danta means teeth. Toothpaste is called danta alepa. Alepa is paste. Okay, alepa is pasting. So danta alepa means toothpaste. Yeah. So this one we don't curl. We don't curl the tongue. Just open the tongue and touch your teeth. You see the teeth here? We touch right here with your tongue. Ta, th, da, dh, n, and l, s, right? S, simple s. Ta, th, da, dh, n, l, s. Yeah. Ta, th, da, dh, n, l, s. This is the basic, so it's very useful for you to make this correct. Okay, ta, th, da, dh, n, l, s. S. This is called dantaja. Ja means to be born. Okay, whenever you see the ja means to be born. Like pankaja is born in the mud. Pankaja is called the lotus, right? That is born in the mud. Pankaja, yeah. So, there are many words like that. You can find. What to say? Dantaja, yeah, dantaja. Kantaja, taluja, and then we had muddhaja, right? Kantaja, born in the kanta, gutturals. Taluja, born in the palatal, taluja. And then muddhaja, born in the muddha, or cerebral. And dantaja, born in the teeth, dental. And then ottha. Ottha means lips. Ottha means lips. Okay. So what happens here? Labial. U. U, Pa, P, Ba, B, M, Pa, P, Ba, B, M, right? All labials. U, Pa, P, Ba, B, M.
So the first P and the B, what's the difference between these?
Oh, P and B. P and B.
It's the same position. You see
Same precision, but do you see a difference when I pronounce it? P, B. Do you see a same sound? You hear the same sound? P, B. For example, Pupa. Pupa is flower. Pupa, Amba, Amba. Amba means mango. Right? So there's a difference. Same place, but you see there is a slight difference in the pronunciation. Can you pronounce?
P,
P. P. So with the H, it is P. It's like explosive, right? P, P, B, B, P, P, B, B, Pa, P, Ba, B, Pa, P, Ba, B, Ba, B.
So the bar with a little bit less air outflow.
Pa and Ba.
So pa is more, right?
Yes. When you say Pa with the H sound, it's kind of explosive. Pa, Pa, Ba. All those letters with the H sound, we have Ka, Kh, Ga, Gh, right? Cha, Ch, Ja, J, and then Ta, T, Da, D, and then Ta, T, Da, D, and right here, Pa, P, Ba, B.
The P is kind of more close the lip, but the B is kind of like
Little
open.
bit less.
A left,
Pa, P, Ba, B.
kind of lighter sound.
Yeah, that's a very good question. Why it's a different sound, right? Pa, P, Ba, B. In English, you have P and B, right? So the sound is different.
Right.
When you say pen and when you say boy, there's a difference, right? So P is like pen. B is like boy. So Pupa, Buddha, right? Pupa, Buddha, P and B. There's a difference. How do you say wisdom in Pali? Panya, right? Panya. Okay, that is P sound, right? How to say the enlightened one? Buddha, right? So, do you see the difference? Yeah? Is it clear? So, how do you see the difference? Distinguish between the P and B?
A little more stronger with the H.
Okay, yeah, can be. Little bit more in B sound, right? It's like P is little less. B is little more. P and B. P and B.